Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to find Instagram user location. First of all, we open Instagram and then click on the magnifying glass. Then, go to the search bar and type the username of any person. Like that, I am searching Mark Zuckerberg. Open his profile. Then, first, you will see if this is a business account or a personal account. After that, click on the three dots. Then, click on About this account. Now, you can see the location of that account is the United States. If you found the location of any business, go to the search bar and type Apple. You can search any business, open the profile. Then click on the three dots, click on About this account. Now, you can see this is a business from the United States. Sometimes, businesses will even mention their location in their bio. Like if a business is in London, UK, it might say so in their bio. If you have any questions or found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.